Yes, my dear students, let's do the practical of session number 3, that is formatting the document. All of you know the meaning of formatting means enhancing the appearance of the text. Now, first point is here, changing text case means change the case of the text. Suppose that this is one paragraph, I want to change the case of the text. Firstly, I'll select this, then click on format tab. Here you will find text. Then you can click here uppercase. If you click on uppercase, all text will change into uppercase. And again, if you want to change, again go to format tab, select text, and then go to cycle case. In cycle case, first letter is capital and rest are small. Next, again text, and from here you can use lowercase, uppercase, toggle case. Toggle case means one capital and one first letter is small, next capital, small capital, small capital, in this way. These are the called text cases. Text cases are uppercase, lowercase, cycle case, sentence case, capitalize every word, and toggle case. Now next point is here, subscript and superscript. Suppose that here you want to write H2O. Clear? Now you want to down to slightly down. Then how you can do? With the help of subscript. Here you can see this is the option for subscript. Select that point that you want to do subscript, then click on that. Now you can see in this H2O, 2 is slightly down from this line. In a similar way, if you want to move text slightly upward, then you can use superscript. For an example, x square. Now you can see this is x2, not x square, but I want to make x square. Just select this and then click on superscript. When I clicked on that, then you can see this text go slightly upward. This is called superscript. Now next point is here, alignment of the paragraph. Alignment means change the position of the paragraph. Suppose that select the paragraph. These are called alignments: left alignment, center, right, and justify. By default your text is left aligned. Now I'll change from here, and then you can see changes in this text. Now I set text in center alignment. You can see this line comes here. Firstly this line was here when I select text alignment left. Now center means this line in center. Right means equal space from right side, doesn't matter space from this side. And if I do the justify, both side there is equal space, but last line start from here, not into center. This is the major difference between justify and center. Clear? By default this is left alignment. You can see left side equal space, but right side no equal space. There is space after without. You can see this. Center means lines come in center, no equal space from left and right, because you can see fill there is little bit space, and in last also after without there is little bit space. Right means equal margin from right side, but no equal margin from left side. And justify means equal margin from left and right side. Now next point is here, background of the paragraph. Suppose that in place of white I want to change the background. Then how I can do? In sidebar, click on first option, that is sidebar setting. Click on that. Here you will find properties option. click on properties. In properties, background color, this option is here. Just click on that. A color palette will appear. Select the color. Suppose that this color I want to set. Now you can see this color set as a background color. I hope all these points are clear to you. How we can set the background color? Click on sidebar. First option is there, settings. Click on settings. Then choose properties. When you click on the properties, a properties dialog box will appear, and in that you will select the color according to your requirement and then click on OK. Clear? Now next point is inserting list and setting borders. List means suppose that you want to write something in points. Then how you can do? You will just click on, suppose that I want to write anything in points. Firstly, I'll change this background color. I'll set here no fill color. Now onward there will be no color. Clear? Now I want to set the number from this side. Then how I can do? Click on format tab. There you will find the option list. Click on that. It will ask you need bulleted list or number list. Bulleted list means points list, and number means their counting is there 1, 2, ABC. Suppose that I want to use bulleted list. Then whatever I write, it will show in bulleted form like this. Like this. Clear? In a similar way, if you want to use number list, select the text like this, and then again click on format, click on list, and then choose numbered list. Now you can see here are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called number list, and before this is bulleted list.